Alright, quick video here on how I was able to get Infected Mushroom at 70 FPS. So from Proton QT up here, you can install or add another version here. Go down, add Steam Tinker Launch, boom, there we go. And then click the install button here. I already have it installed, so there's no need for me. Go ahead and close out of this here, and we're going to go to Infected Mushroom itself once Steam Tinker Launch is installed. So we can go to our properties, and we'll go set our compatibility layer to Steam Tinker Launch. As you can see, I've already done here. And now that we've done that, we can close out of that window. And when we select play here, my window is going to generate and try and auto-launch the game. And yours is going to actually launch Steam Tinker Launch for the first time, and we'll get to that screen in just a second here. Alright, and now that that's loading up, it's going to auto-launch my game. In my instance, I'm going to Alt F4 it because it's going to act as though it crashed, even though it launched. But lovely recovery features from Steam Tinker Launch if you want to experiment and do things like that, because you might have better settings than I do. You know, it's one of those things where, you know, play around, you might get good results. I accidentally closed out of Steam there. That's okay. Cool, so we actually got a real crash this time. So it's a great example of what Steam Tinker Launch can do. So if we go back to our library here. Boom. So it detected a crash, so we can actually say retry different settings. And, you know, that's perfectly fine. And what we're going to do is exactly where the next thing up for you guys is you need to actually edit the prefix that this game has generated for you, and Steam Tinker Launch makes that painfully simple. There we go. So now we can scroll all the way down. It's on the right here. It says game files, and then give it a second to load. Alright, so we don't want the game dir. What we want is the wine prefix. So that is actually where the C drive to the game is. So we'll actually see that here in just a second. So open that up. You'll see a C drive folder here. You want to go to a users folder, Steam user, app data, local, pinball, saved, config, Windows, and then inside of here are going to be the INEI files that we're going to replace. And you just simply copy and paste those. So I have a set right here. Now, if you're ever unsure of anything that you're going to do, if you really want to, you can take this whole folder, right click, copy, and we'll just Control A, right click, copy, and you could go to your documents, make a new folder here, call it whatever you want, and back it all up, just in case you know this doesn't work for you, or you just get way out of line. I spelled config wrong. It doesn't matter. So you can just paste those. So we can go back to this Windows folder here, and you can see we still have all of them. And then we can just simply copy in these new folders, our files, and we are off to the races. Once that's done, we can actually close out of this window. We can go back to Tinker Launch, and then we can actually simply just click the play button. And then from that point forward, you don't actually have to interact with Tinker Launch at all. You will want a mouse and keyboard because Steam input does get disabled with Tinker Launch. Be fair warned. It's fun, but the app works great. It's been an issue for a long time. I don't know when the dev may or may not fix it. Who knows? So that being said, you click the play button and off to the races with it. Have fun, guys.